All right, let me try to remove this first before we continue, we do this question, all right? So I want to show you something here. If, for example, you have a question where you have almost, they didn't give you any statement here, okay? Look at this question. I'm the one who put this thing, okay? Let me try to remove them. The first thing you have to know, this is a pyramid, okay? In a pyramid, the base of a pyramid, it's the form of a square. If it's a square, meaning that the side AB, the side AB is equal to the side AD, is equal to the side DC, is equal to the side BC. Now, meaning that DB, it's what we call a diagonal, and the AC is a diagonal, and the O it's a midpoint. So to find the OB will be half of a DB. So as this is a square, this is what we have here. We have this side will be 3, this side will be 3, and this side will be 3. So if I have a AD, AB, and this is a right angle, since this is a what we call a square. So to find the OB, we have first to find the DB. So our DB squared will be equal to AD squared plus AB squared. What is going to happen here? DB will be square root, we remove square here, AD will be 3 squared plus 3 squared. And the total here will be, the answer will be 3 root 2. Can you see that? Now, it's not finished. So OB will be DB divided by 2, because the distance of OB is equal to this OD. So it will be half. So we have a 3 root 2 divided by 2. Number 2, cos theta, to prove or to show that cos theta is 3 over 3, 2 root square root over x exponent 2 plus 9 over 2. Meaning that we need first to know the side AB and the side AE. Why? Because we have a triangle which is, this is a triangle that we have. Theta is here. We have a AE and we have a B here. So in order, here is 3. So we need to know this side and we need to know this side. As this is a pyramid, these two sides are equal, okay? So if we find this side, it's easy to find also this side. Now, to find it is quite simple. Why? Why quite simple? Because this is a perpendicular to the ground, meaning that this is a right angle. Okay? So, OE, it's x. OB, we have it 3 root 2. So, to find the EB, it's very simple. We can use Pythagoras. So, EB squared or EB will be equal to square root of OB, which is 3 square root 2 over 2 all squared, plus this side, which is what? X. We can do that like this, or as we see there, we can all what? Squared. So we can arrange it like x squared, and here will give us 9 over 2. Can you see that? So this side and this side are equal. So this is also equal to what? AE. Now let's use a cosine rule. Since theta, it's made by the side AB and the side AEB, so our cosine rule, we're going to use the side AE. What we'll do, we say AE squared will be equal to this side squared, AB squared, plus EB squared minus 2 times AB times EB and times cos theta. So now I can see, you can even pause the video and try to get this answer, then we'll come back. Thank you. Now we can continue. See what I'm going to do now. AE is this one. Can you see that? AE squared we have AE squared will have x squared plus 9 over 2 all what? Squared. AB. What is AB? It's going to be 3 squared. What is EB? EB is same, square root x squared plus 9 over 2. Then we have a minus 2 times AB, which is 3, I believe so. And then EB will be x squared plus 9 over 2 and a cos theta. Now look at this side where we put squared. These two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, how can we manage to do? If we minus both sides by this, these two will be cancelled. Alright, so we'll have here 0. And here we have a 9. And here we have a 6. Square root of x squared plus 9 over 2. And then we have cos theta. Remember, if you minus both sides by the same thing, or when you transpose this side, it will be minus. So we'll be cancel these two. So now, because this side we have a minus, we can transpose this side. We'll have 6 x squared plus 9 over 2 cos theta equal to 9. So this will give us a cos theta 9, because it's a multiplication, so you divide both sides by 6. Square root x squared plus 9 over 2. Let me remove this. What will be the answer here? if I will have this, look at here, 9 divided cos 9 divided by 3 will give us 3, and the 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. Therefore, we have x squared plus 9 over 2. So this is proven. Can you see? It's proven. Next one we'll do, they say we must calculate the volume in terms of theta. Now, you can also pause the video and come back while we try to look at, we clean the board. Pause the video, the volume is given to you there, and try to get the volume, and then you come back to us. Thank you. Pause the video and come back. Now, we want to calculate if the volume is volume of a pyramid, it's 15 meter cube. Calculate the value of theta. So remember, cos theta is this, okay? But it's written in terms of x. Now let's go just straight to the formula. The formula says volume, this is question number 3. Volume is equal to 1 over 3 base times the height. So what is the volume? It's 15. What is the base? The base will be of a square, okay? Will be 3 squared. That is the base of a square. It is side squared. The area of a square is side square. So we have a 3 squared, okay? Multiply by the height, which is what? H. No, the height is what? X. So we say the height is what? X. So what is going to happen here? We'll have 15, and if you calculate here, we have a 3x. So this will give us x equal to 5. Now, we have a cos theta equal to 3 over 2 square root of x, x squared plus 9 over 2. So this will give you cos theta equal to 3 over 2. If you calculate here in the middle here, will give you 59 over 2. So when you punch it in your calculator, you get 70. Let me try to shift your calculator. Let's do it together. Shift your calculator and go to cos. Then remember, you have a 3 all divided by 2 square root of a 59 divided by 2. Then you close the bracket and then you go to equal. So this will give you 73,968. So if you round it off, this will give you 74 degrees. So that is the value of a theta. So thank you so much. We are done.